In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1008 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. So here at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet P1008 driver and hit the enter key, and in that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So select any of this. Anyway, this page are similar as long as you can see support.hp.com, then that's good. So you would be navigated in this page where you can see the printer driver, which is the P1008 under HP LaserJet. All you need to do is you need to proceed to this driver product installation software and then scroll down and proceed to the basic drivers and click on this download. Click on it. It only take less than a minute to do so since it contains a file size of 3.8 MB. Okay. Once you have downloaded it, in my case, I have already. And once you have downloaded it, you need to copy and move that to the desktop. Okay. So here at the desktop, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click here and you can use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So just locate your cursor here and go with extract to. Okay. So once any file folder would be created here at the desktop, that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. And if it's taking some time to appear, you can manually check it to the File Explorer, tap on it, and from here you need to navigate directly to the side where you can see the desktop and check if the extracted file has been placed. Once it's here, you can now close the window and navigate to the start icon here, make a right click, scroll up, and then click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here navigate to the left side and locate where the option called Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. Okay, so the moment you have bring up the Bluetooth and devices section, please proceed with printers and scanners. Click on it and you can get an option where you can add a device. Click on it and wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And in a few seconds, a window would appear here on the screen where you can manually add a printer driver. So once it's here, please choose for the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down. You can use among of this three USB port. Click on next and go with hard disk. So click on the browse, and since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. Click on it, scroll down, please proceed to the extracted file, select this drivers, click on open, and click on the OK. So all you need to do is you need to select for HP LaserJet P1008 and then click on the next. Go with next and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done, and it happened that you will get a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes. Just proceed with yes so that you can finish it. Go with next, go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1008, a printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.